This is my journey of losing 60 pounds after the birth of my third baby. I was sick my entire pregnancy. It was really hard because every morning I was throwing up and it made it really difficult to eat the right foods, and I found really all I could do was eat carbs to feel better. Clara was born beautiful and healthy, and we were all so excited to welcome our second daughter, third baby, into our family. My C-section went really well. I felt great. I was up walking around within a day. We were excited to bring Clara home, and I got out and started walking right away. Even though technically I really wasn't supposed to, I just felt trapped in my body. I literally just felt like this is not me, and I can't believe this happened to me. So it was just kind of like a feeling like I just want to make a change. So I did a little bit of slow things like walking, and I decided to stick to and begin the ketogenic lifestyle. And so what I did was I started with 20 net carbs a day, and I had a bunch of fat coffee and really high fat nutritious foods. My milk supply was great throughout this time. I didn't have any issues with milk. I was basically following my body's lead. But none of my clothes fit me, and I just didn't really feel myself still. And I was ready for this next chapter of my life. So I took these before photos, and I was like devastated. I couldn't believe really that I let myself get to this point. Even though it felt like it was out of my control because I was so sick with my pregnancy, I still just felt that kind of pain, like that I did this to myself and I kind of let myself down. It's all worth it in the end, having beautiful babies and everything. And I knew I would get this off. But this first day when I was given the clear to work out, I was 4 weeks postpartum, and it was really difficult getting back into lifting weights and specifically cardio. So I took it slow on that end. I felt like the weight that I had gained just wouldn't really budge. Like I expected this, but it just kind of felt like it stuck to me. Finally, I started seeing progress with my consistency. I was following the 20 to 30 net carbs a day and working out regularly, not every day yet at this point. I was kind of building up to that point. Shape when I started really committing and focusing on fitness, but one day at a time, and I knew I would progressively get better. I never cheated on the keto lifestyle because I really wanted to make this into a lifestyle that I could stick to long term, not a short term diet or quick fix. So I stayed focused on eating the right foods and taking care of my body to get back to where I really feel my most comfortable. So every day I focused on trying to do 20 to 30 minutes of exercise and just focused on getting better than the day before. The scale started moving, but it was not a straight line down. It had a way of going up and going down and going up, but basically toning and building upon the muscle and firming up areas. So the majority of the weight loss was in the first part of my journey. And then I really just focused in on making sure I'm lifting weights every day and that I'm staying focused on my nutrition and I'm staying on track. Once I basically met my goal, I started, introducing more things in, like the occasional cleaner cheat meal, which basically is just eating ketogenically, but then having a little bit higher carbs every now and then. I really started noticing my stomach getting smaller, shrinking, and my clothes started getting baggier. I introduced a little bit more fruits, but berries only, and I continued to stay committed to the ketogenic lifestyle, and it really stopped being and feeling like a diet and just felt like this is the way I eat and this is how I feel my best. And so it really didn't feel like I was deprived at all throughout this entire journey. I feel really great. I have so much energy. I feel alive. I just feel good for the first time in a long, long time. My fitness level has improved so much just within the first 6 months of getting back to working out regularly. I feel like my body really made that shift, and I've built some great muscle, and my lung capacity is increased. I can go longer with cardio, and I don't need to take as many breaks. I just feel really good. So where I came from and where I am now is like night and day. I have no issues sleeping. I feel really good. My mood is amazing. I'm looking forward to the future, and this is just the beginning. Like, this is the start of something incredible, and I'm so excited about what's to come and the future of just taking care of myself and improving my fitness level and improving my body and just feeling better for myself in my own skin. And so this transformation really is just the start of what's to come for me in my life, and I'm so thankful for everyone that's a part of this journey alongside me.